people, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing another hair store. Hello. Wow, do you want to do something on TV? Good for them. Well, let's start the hair store. So right here we are in the living room / the dining table. Like beside us is the dining table and next to it is the living room. And in the living room we have 2 lamps. And painting, which is very beautiful. And we also have a balcony, but I'll show you that. But let's just wait and see. Next is the kitchen. Yep, in the kitchen we have a big refrigerator, microwave, cabinets. We also have a small table with 2 chairs, and voila! Stove and sink, of course, with oven. Now, time for the part you've been waiting for. Balcony. Yep. The balcony from the kitchen leads to the balcony in the parlor, which is super cool. You can see they're still there. So this is the balcony. Very, very beautiful. You can come here to have fresh air if you like to. It's very, 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 very relaxing. Now out the door. Moving on. Beside the kitchen is a bathroom. We have 2 towels, tissue paper, the toilet itself, sink, and a shower. Mirror too. Hello. Moving on. And this is my brother's room. Yep. This is their wardrobe, this is their bed, their nightstand, and their mirror. And they also have a lovely, lovely window. Well, I can't open the window like this. This is the farthest I can open it, but this is the window. Moving on. Beside their room is laundry. Yep. So this is the washing machine and this is a dryer, and we also have hanger. And besides their room is my room. Yep. So this is my sister's bed, and this is my bed, and this is the window, and this is the vanity, and we also have big wardrobe inside. Moving on. We also have another bathroom. So that is the mirror, some cupboards, and a toilet, and also another toilet, a bathtub, and shower. Focus, yeah. Really nice. Moving on is my parents' bedroom. Yes, look at my mom rocking her new hairstyle. And outside there, well, immediately you step in their room, you're gonna see this big beautiful mirror here, which you can come here to check yourself. And a painting, television, a vanity of course, their bed, and of course wardrobe as always. And in their room they also have their own bathroom. So this is the mirror, the sink, the cupboard, the bath, the toilet, 2 toilets, tissue paper, towels, a shower of course. Moving on. And in between all those rooms we have a very, very, like not very long, but you know, long hallway, which is very beautiful. So that is all I have to show you guys in our home tour today. So come back for our next video. Stay tuned. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye. They're on their tabs.